People like cows, and cow is always positive, passionate, energetic, movable, and very diligent to people. That's why we, even under such kind of a pandemic situation, we want to encourage people to remember the spirit of the cows. We want to, through the cow parade art, to bring the people in connection with other cultures in different countries. My first cow parade experience is back to 2004 in Prague. And then we bring it to Taipei, which is 2009. As you can see, this is my baby, okay, from 2009. And through the 12 years, I'm thinking about how to renovate this concept behind and more approachable to the people, not only in Taiwan and Asia Pacific. So that's why we created 2.0. Now the Taiwan people can see the cows from the global, and they are something we can exchange our concept behind, or even the learn from them. So another point is this time we work with wild ed. So we want to convey the concept of wild animal protection to the people of Taiwan. My eventually goal for the platform and the roadmap is think about it. If we can have one cow parade museum right in Taiwan, we can attract more than 500 million people, the cow fans from the global, to travel here to see the cows.
蛮高兴的吧，蛮惊奇的，我们没想到印尼会戴我们的首饰啦。
71-year-old Ling Yan is a goldsmith based out of Singapore, but you may have come across one of his works halfway across the globe and shining on the coat of Queen Elizabeth II. The Bird of Paradise brooch was a gift from the Singaporean government to the Queen for her Diamond Jubilee in 2012.
我都喜欢做有花比较多，动物的比较难做。就像那个动物要嘴巴要生动，身体要生动，尾巴要生动，要脚也要生动，好像那个从草坡那边树林跑出来这样吗？
Ling Yan suffered from polio as a child, and a year ago he was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer and had to undergo surgery. Despite these hurdles, for almost half a century, he has dedicated his life to crafting Peranakan jewelry.
要半夜起来也是要看看为什么做不到，要想想啊，对，既然做就起来就弄了再睡觉。
Ling works alongside his boss and friend, Thomas Quentin Fat, who designs all the jewelries.
这个就是天堂鸟的头，可以看它的嘴巴，这个身体，它的翅膀，跟它的尾巴。但是我只是尽量是说把两耳珠宝做成中西都可以欣赏的。
Peranakans are descendants of marriages between Chinese and local Malaysians. These pieces of jewelry are symbolic of wealth and blessings that were passed down from generation to generation. But the intricate craft is slowly losing its shine.
两耳珠宝就是我们新加坡以前的历史。我所知道的，在新加坡从事两耳珠宝的，不超过3间。年轻的是觉得这个是旧款的，已经过时了。那时候他们就好多拿去金店，把它拆掉那个钻石，就重新镶新款。就是在那短那个10年就损坏了很多旧的两耳首饰。那种师傅也是转行。
有些很挑战的，以前做的都是没有这个立体的了，没有见到那个动物啊全部跑出来，以前没有就平的一个面的。我人生还在的时候，我就越做越多，留下来给后人欣赏啦。老板也是有这个想法啦，可以留来给后代了，或者是后来的师傅看看这个是怎样做的，原理在哪里。
我有这个责任，因为我身上有这样好的师傅，所以我要把它慢慢的重新一件一件的把它做起来跟建立起来。因为当一个国家你怎样的丰盛，你怎样的强，假如你没有自己的文化，是抬不起头的。两耳珠宝需要继续的把它缓救过来，给我们的子孙可以拥有，可以欣赏我们的老师傅所遗传的那种艺术。